3-1 move-in ready remodeled home located in a quiet neighborhood in the city. This home sits on a nice lot with a great front and backyard. This home would be the perfect home for a first-time home buyer or someone retired. The owner have painted the home inside and out and installed all new flooring. The bathroom has all new tub, vanity, commode and fixtures. If you are looking for your perfect home with a mortgage under $500 a month if you qualify, call your favorite realtor.